Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made these steak fries, and if you guys are ready, let's get started. So in this recipe I am using 2 russet potatoes, and of course I'm going to go ahead and cut them into steak fries or bigger chunks. So after cutting our potatoes, we are going to go ahead and rinse them off and then add some water to boil. And our next ingredient that we are going to add is 1 teaspoon of salt for taste, and you want to go ahead and boil it for about 5 to 7 minutes. After your potatoes have boiled, you want to go ahead and drain them out and let them rest, and then move on to making your seasoning. To make our seasoning blend, you're going to need garlic powder, complete seasoning, Everglades seasoning, onion powder, Mexican seasoning, black pepper, and you want to go ahead and mix it, and then cornstarch and baking powder. Go ahead and mix it and then set it aside. Our last step before frying is adding all our potatoes to the bowl and adding some olive oil and then mixing everything together. Then you want to add all your seasoning. Now I did not use all my seasoning, and then we're going to move on to our Ninja grill. So for the Ninja grill, I am setting my Ninja at 450 for about 20 minutes, and I'm adding all my food in there. So I did not fry my fries for 20 minutes. It took only 13 minutes for them to be crisp, as you guys can see over here, and this is how they look like. So for all the ingredients that I use in this recipe, I'm going to leave everything in the description below, and I just want to say thank you for watching and for subscribing. I'll see you next time. Bye.